Hi guys, welcome to Amboy Wallis channel guys. It's January 23 today and yesterday was my birthday. And right now we're having weekend getaway again. It's a weekend getaway guys. Let's have some fun again. It's another weekend and it's a Sunday. Blessed Sunday to everyone. We're here at the park. Pinapasyal ko na naman ang aking mga apores. Mga apo ko, pinapasyal, pasyal. Ganda no guys, parang Italy. It's like Venice. It's like Venice here. Venice, Italy. I'm here at Italy, Venice. That's about it guys. How's everything going on guys? I hope everything is okay with you. Pwede ka sumakay sa boat.